In this video, I'll show you how to remove background in Canva for free. So as you can see, I've got an image of a cat right here in Canva, and I want to remove the background of this image. So what you do is press on the image, then go to Edit Photo, and then right here on the left, you can see the Magic Studio. Now, you can press on the BG remover, which is a background remover, and as you can see, it's going to ask you to try Canva Pro for free. Now, this background remover feature does require Canva Pro, which is usually paid, but on a new Canva account, you can get a free 30-day trial, which means you can try this free for 30 days and remove however many backgrounds of however many images you want to. And that way, it's basically free. You have to put in your credit card details, but you can cancel it directly and you will not be charged. And once you do it, you're gonna be able to use the background remover tool as much as you would like to.